Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're dealing with cast iron and exposing the damaged section. This matters because repair methods depend on pipe composition. Next, shut off water and open taps to drain the line so you can work dry and safe. Once exposed, clean corrosion with a wire brush until metal is visible. This gives you a clear failure boundary. Measure the damaged length and note fittings. Make sure to pick replacement coupling and tools that match pipe OD and wall thickness. Now you cut out the rotten section, score, then saw 1/2 inch beyond the corroded edge to reach solid metal. Deburr both ends and use a grinder or file so the coupling seats squarely. Poor fit causes leaks. Test fit the replacement hub or no hub coupling and slip the gasket to confirm alignment. Once fit is perfect, clean with solvent, apply rust inhibitor to edge, and if needed use a silicone repair band for a temporary seal while you prep the permanent coupling. You finish by installing the coupling. Slide it centered over the joint and tighten clamps evenly to manufacturer torque. This compresses the gasket to seal. Once tightened, restore minimal water pressure, 15 to 20 psi, and observe the joint for 10 to 15 minutes to confirm no seepage. If small weeps appear, torque slightly more or add plumbers compound around the seam. Troubleshooting tip: if leaks persist, cut back to healthy metal and replace with a longer repair sleeve. Incomplete removal of corrosion is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.